Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I decorate my room with candy, this stuff, and how you can also do it as well. It's super easy, it's super fun, and I actually mentioned I would make this video in my previous video, and as well I'm pretty sure in my poll that I did for like which video I should make next, and this video is finally here. So welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Let's get started. So first, as I mentioned again in my previous video, jewelry stands. I cannot say this enough. They are so fun to make. They are so fun to put jewelry on or just candy, whatever, and they fill up a lot of space. I noticed. I made a lot and they really make my room a lot brighter, which is personally what I'm going for. You can do whatever color scheme you want, but I find this great for storage and as well as to just look nice. So that is probably one of my favorites actually to do, to like decorate my room with candy. If you would like to make these stands, feel free to check out my previous video as well, because I kind of show a little bit how I do it and describe how I do it. It's very easy, very simple, very little supplies, very little time. They're awesome. They're great, so feel free to also check that out. But alongside with jewelry stands, I also just like to put them on my doors. I don't just put candy on my doors, I also just put necklaces on my doors. You can hang jewelry hangers from your doors and put it on there, but I just put straight up thumbtacks in my doors and just let them chill there, because I have so many necklaces and I can't fit them all in one place. It's actually pretty bad, but it's okay, it's okay. It looks good and it's really fun. You don't even have to just hang like necklaces, you can also hang like chains, maybe even bracelets, but that's not my thing, but you can do whatever. It's your room, your rules. I also put them on my wall, again, just thumbtacks, and I just kind of just place them everywhere. It's very great for storage. I used to put them in drawers, like inside of my dresser, but it got too full. It got too full, and I just want to display them because they're really pretty. Another idea is charms, like, you know those like 2D charms where it's like kind of like a flat stitch and you can like make shapes? I made like a warning sign out of it. You can find so many stitches on Pinterest and like candy pattern websites. You can even just like make your own. I feel like this would be really cute to hang on like handles, like knobs, like through like string, and just to like put them on your shelves. This one technically not pony beads, but I have this little like perler star shaker and it's really cute. It just sits on my shelf. As well as 2D shapes, you can make like these little shapes like stars and bones and just put them all over like your desk or whatever, just to fill out some space. On bags, again, I showed this in my previous video. I put a little bit of pony beads on my bag. Like I put a little star, I put a little safety pin with beads through it, but I mainly did perlers. But still, I feel like decorating your bags, technically it's not like your room, but like if your bag is in your room, it also technically is. So I don't know, I keep my bag displayed, so that's why I also have it decorated, because it fits the aesthetic. So I feel like that's also a great way. Or making bags out of pony beads. This will take a lot of time though, and probably a lot of money. But I have one little bag. It's probably like, it's like the size of probably like your average handbag. Like it's just a little orange. I found it on Pinterest, I think, except it wasn't like a square, it was like a half circle shape, but I just made it square because it was so much easier. But I love it so much. She just chills on my wall. I really don't like the strap though. I want to change it eventually. Garlands and canned garlands. I know I mentioned canned garlands in my previous video as well. There's a lot of references to my previous video, okay? But kind of what I mean is, like, if you're making a canned garland, put beads like through the string, if that makes sense. I'll show it on the screen, obviously. I forget what I was gonna say. Oh, making garlands, like making chains. You can make little like 2D shapes. I saw like this thing on Pinterest. Someone made like, I don't know who it was, but they made like kind of worm on the string inspired candy and like kind of hung it on their door or something, or on their wall. I don't really remember fully, but it looked really cute. So just make like garlands, make like just bead strings, I guess. I have them hanging from my shelves. They add a lot more detail and I think it's really cute.
You could also hang your belts on the walls too. So like belt chains, or like candy belts, or just any belt if you want, I guess, whatever. But I only have 2 belts, but I still think it looks really cute when they're hung up that way. Adds more color, fills up the space, whatever.
This one's a little more specific. Make ornaments for your Christmas tree if you celebrate Christmas or any other holiday like Halloween, Easter, or like whatever the heck you celebrate, your birthday, just anything themed like that, I guess. So seasonal candy, like I saw someone actually make like a Christmas tree out of beets. It was insane. It was like a little one though. It was like probably like this big, but it was still cute. I love it. And I want to make one eventually, but for now I'm happy with my tree, even though it's literally not up yet. It's literally August. Anyways, on headphones, I actually have my headphones right next to me right now. I put this little star on it.
Good lord, my headphones are hanging on for dear life. I literally broke them a few days ago. Look at that. I'm literally taping it together. Well, that's how you know that they're loved. I use these like every day for hours, so that's probably why.
But decorate them with candy stickers too. I display my headphones, so that's why I'm including all these like random objects that some people don't have in their room, but I keep mine displayed. I basically keep everything displayed. So that's why I decorate all my stuff, to make it cute. Again, with things on display, journals and sketchbooks. I actually mentioned this again in my previous video. I didn't really put a lot of pony beads on my sketchbooks, but you can probably decorate it with candy, you know, add connect your charms to it, like singles, or oh wait, I actually made like this little long thing that hangs out of my book. I don't know how to explain it. It's not a bookmark, but it's just a decoration, and it says happy peels because I ran out of eyes, so I just put happy peels. So that's great. Display cups and big objects that you make out of candy. This is a great way for filling up space, and I don't know, it's cute and it's really cool. I have a cup with my name on it. I have a cup that says sugar sickness. I have a huge cup that's probably like this big. It has like a big candy swirl on it. I even have some of my cups stacked together like on a paper towel roll. They're everywhere. I have all my cups everywhere. They're out in the world to see, I guess. And other big objects too. I actually saw like on Pinterest, it was really cool. Someone made like a gigantic, like huge AK-47 out of beads. That was all. Don't actually have a real AK-47 in your room. Like the bead ones are cool, okay? But just big candy objects. I feel like they're such like a, what's it called? Like a main centerpiece. Like they're like, wow, they're loud and they're awesome. That's why I use them everywhere. And you can also like make flags or panels to hang on your wall. Again, there's a lot of like patterns on Pinterest that you can use, or you can make your own, and there's just so many opportunities and ways to do this. You could probably even also make like pride flags and like fandom stuff, or just something really random. Whatever you want. Make it tiny, make it huge. But I feel like those are also great ways to decorate your room.